I'm going to show you how to stir-fry pork with black fungus mushrooms. Once cooked, these mushrooms retain their crunchiness and are infused with the flavors of the dish. Start by soaking the black fungus for 30 minutes. These mushrooms are commonly used in Chinese cuisine. Once rehydrated, they are significantly increased in volume, about 10 times their initial weight. Meanwhile, marinate the meat. Cut the pork shoulder into 1 cm thick pieces. You can also use chicken breast. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. Thanks to the dark soy sauce, the meat will have an appetizing color. Let it marinate while continuing the preparation. Finely chop 1 onion, chop 4 cloves of garlic, grated ginger to get 1 teaspoon. These 3 aromatics will give a delicious flavor to the dish. After 30 minutes, the mushrooms are rehydrated and become tender. Rinse them. Then drain them. Remove the stems. If they are large, cut them in half. Like all mushrooms, they will contribute umami to the dish. Preheat a pan over high heat. When it is very hot, add the 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and grated ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the marinated meat pieces. Spread them evenly. Let them sear for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Flip them and the surface of the meat is grilled. Let them cook for another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then briefly stir and add the onion. Stir for 15 seconds. Add the mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 10 centiliters of water. Turn to medium heat and stir occasionally for 3 minutes covered. The mushrooms absorb the flavors of the other ingredients, and the sauce thickens. Turn up the heat. The stir-fried pork and black fungus are ready. Like most Chinese stir-fry dishes, we enjoy it with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Don't forget to add these mushrooms to your stir fries, soups, or stuffings to bring a crunchy texture and umami that will enhance all the flavors. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.